Ever stare at a giant wall of text and your brain just goes, nope? Same. But today, I'm showing you a free AI tool that reads your homework and spits out the summary for you in seconds. Welcome back to the channel, your home for daily AI hacks that save time, energy, and brain power. If you're a student, or someone who reads long reports for work, or you just hate reading, this one is going to change your life. Meet Scholarcy, the smart tool that's changing the way you study. This isn't a sponsored message, just a genuine shout out to something truly helpful for students and lifelong learners alike. Scholarcy is about making your study sessions easier, more efficient, and much less overwhelming. Scholarcy works its magic by taking long chapters, dense PDFs, and web articles, and transforming them into short, easy-to-understand, bite-sized notes. Instead of spending hours sifting through endless information, you get the main ideas delivered quickly so you can focus on what really matters. It's like having a personal summarizer at your fingertips. Using Scholarcy means less time stressed out by information overload and more time actually learning. Whether you're preparing for exams or just trying to keep up with reading, this tool makes studying a breeze. Give it a try and see how much easier your academic life can be. Looking for a faster way to tackle your homework? Scholarcy.com makes summarizing assignments simple and stress-free with its AI-powered tools, perfect for students and educators alike. Start by heading to Scholarcy.com. You can just drag and drop your homework PDF onto the page, or if you have a link, paste it right in. It's that easy. Once your file is uploaded, Scholarcy's artificial intelligence scans your document instantly, pulling out the most important information without any extra effort from you. You'll see clear key points, a concise summary paragraph, bullet point highlights, and even definitions for those tricky words. Everything you need to understand your homework all in one place. Best of all, you can use Scholarcy's basic features without even creating an account. Try it today and make homework summaries a breeze. Ever wish you could cut hours off your reading time? Scholarcy AI is here to help, turning long, dense documents into bite-sized summaries so you can focus on what matters most. Imagine your teacher assigns a 20-page history reading. With Scholarcy, you just upload the file and get a clear 6-line summary. Suddenly, the events of 1776 make sense, and you did not have to read a novel to figure it out. That is real time saved for students. Now, picture facing a 30-page company policy document at work. Scholarcy AI highlights only the key points you need, skipping over the endless sections about printer etiquette. You get the essential information fast, so you can move on to more important tasks. Or maybe you are diving into a new subject like finance or biology. Just upload your PDF, and Scholarcy breaks down those complex topics into simple, easy-to-understand explanations. Learning becomes less overwhelming, and you can finally grasp challenging concepts in no time. Let's talk about a tool that has transformed the way I study and work. If you're tired of endless reading and want to get smarter with your time, listen up. First, this tool saves you hours of reading. Instead of slogging through pages and pages, you get concise summaries that let you focus on what really matters. More time, less stress. It also helps you actually remember what you learn. By breaking down information into manageable chunks, it makes it easier to absorb and recall key points when you need them. Homework? Suddenly, it feels half as painful. This tool simplifies assignments, making everything clearer and less overwhelming. Whether you're a student, parent, busy worker, or just a human with too much to do, this tool fits your lifestyle seamlessly. Best part? It's completely free. And if the summary still feels too long, copy it into any AI chatbot to make it even simpler. If this video made your homework easier, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips. Your support helps us keep creating awesome content just for you. Share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which homework AI challenge we should tackle next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.